Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to folks on OneSpotMedia.com. Up first, a manhunt has been launched for 3 men listed as persons of interest in the murder of Constable Richard Barrett. The policeman died after he was shot multiple times at a bar he operated Friday evening. Jamaica Maitland has the details.
Constable Richard Barrett was shot dead by gunmen who robbed his bar in Chantilly, Westmoreland. According to the police, Constable Barrett sold a man a cigarette sometime after 8:30 p.m. The man returned minutes later with 2 other men. One of them had a firearm. They robbed the bar of cash and liquor and shot Constable Barrett before leaving. His licensed firearm was not taken. An officer who was supposed to meet up with Barrett found his lifeless body around the counter. His colleagues are distraught. At the family's house, Constable Barrett's wife was inconsolable, his brother speechless.
Call the station and the officer on duty, he confirmed that Richie get shot,
The policeman's family members say he'd been operating the bar since 2008 and is well respected in the community.
It was very good. Even in the community that we are living, Millers Avenue, Stratbogie, the people there love them. If they have anything bad to say, they might not say it to his face. They might go beat around the bush and say it with others.
His stepdaughter, Chevelle, also operates the bar. She revealed that the establishment has been robbed in the past a couple of times, but the patrons, who are often cops, usually ward off the criminals.
I would always be at the location with him. And if I was there, I would be probably sitting in the bar and he would probably be walking around the compound just to see. So probably they would approach him back way outside. They might never know. And maybe if I was there, they would have probably shoot me or probably take me away, rape me. You never know.
TVJ News understand that the police are following strong leads. We're told that there were working cameras at the bar. The images or names of the 3 men have not yet been released, but the police are urging residents not to harbor those involved in the policeman's murder. Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.